In this lesson, we're going to discuss using the properties of exponents with rational exponents. The properties of exponents you used with integer powers such as x squared times x to the fourth work the same with rational exponents. When you multiply the same bases, you add the exponents. When you divide same bases, you subtract the exponents. When you raise a power to another power, you multiply the exponents. The only difference here is going to be your arithmetic is with fractions. I would like you to try these problems using the basic properties of exponents. Pause the video, and when you've completed them, go ahead and restart the video and work along with me to see how you did. Let's begin with the first one. X to the 1/2 power times x to the 1/2 power. The property says that I'm going to add my exponents. So 1/2 plus 1/2, this becomes x to the 2/2, which 2 over 2 reduces to 1, so we get x. Now let's take the second one, a to the 3/4 times a to the 5/2. Again, our job is to add the exponents together. You will notice in this particular example that I came up with, we do not have common denominators. So basically you take the 3/4 and the 5/2, you can go off to the side and just do your arithmetic. So common denominator is 4. So an equivalent fraction of 5/2 with a denominator of 4 is going to be 10/4. I now have 3/4 plus 10/4 is 13/4. So I simply write a to the 13th over 4 power. Here's one with subtraction involved. M to the 3/4 divided by m to the 1/4. So our shortcut is again to subtract the exponents. So 3/4 minus 1/4. Well, 3/4 minus 1/4 equals 2/4. And 2/4 of course reduces, so this becomes m to the 1/2. And lastly, you had a power to a power. So k to the 5/8 times 1/5. So you can first multiply them by multiplying straight across and get 5 over 40, which of course reduces down to 1/8. So your final answer is k to the 1/8 power. Now some of you may have noticed that 5/8 times 1/5, you could have pre-reduced the two 5s and gotten 1/8 also.